In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Microsoft Bing. First, let's open Bing. On a computer, launch your favorite web browser and go to bing.com. If you're on a phone or tablet, open the Bing app if you have it installed. It works the same way and is optimized for touch. Once the home page loads, you'll notice a prominent search box right at the top. That's where everything starts. Click or tap inside the box and type what you want to find. You can keep it simple with something like weather today or best recipes, or be more specific to get sharper results. Adding a location, a time frame, or a few descriptive words can help Bing understand your intent. As you type, you may see suggestions appearing beneath the box. These are there to speed things up, so feel free to pick one if it matches what you had in mind. When you're ready, press Enter on your keyboard or tap the search button on your screen. Bing will instantly pull together results that match your keywords. You'll land on a results page, and this is where you can quickly identify what's most useful. Look first at the page titles and the short descriptions underneath. They give you a preview of what each link offers before you click. If you see a quick answer panel, a map, or a card with key facts at the top, that's Bing surfacing immediate information so you don't have to dig. From here, you can browse in the way that suits you best. Use the navigation near the top to switch between all results, images, videos, news, or maps, depending on what you're looking for. If visuals help, jump into images or videos. If you want recent reporting, check news. And if you're looking for places, maps will show locations and directions. Many sections include filters, such as time or region, which can narrow things down when you have a lot of options. As you explore, open promising links in new tabs so you can compare sources side by side. If the first results aren't quite right, simply adjust your wording in the same search box at the top and run the search again. Small changes, like adding a specific product name or a date, often make a big difference. Keep an eye on related searches or questions too. They can point you toward helpful angles you might not have considered. And that's it. Open Bing, type your query, run the search, and browse the results confidently and efficiently.